Actually, I want to share with you Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's daughter Fatima radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Regarding Fatima radiallahu ta'ala anhu, is the most difficult to speak. What about personality of Fatima radiallahu ta'ala anhu? Fatima is the idol that Islam wants to women to be. She is a symbol. She was a symbol for all dimension of womanhood. Hazrat Fatima radiallahu ta'ala anhu, she was the perfect model of daughter when dealing with her father. She was perfect model of a wife when she dealing with his husband Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu. She was the perfect model of mother when he raising her children. She was the perfect model of responsible victim women when conforming her time and the fate of the society.